Well, greetings, people, folks, and space aliens. I'm here at Cottage Grove Bike Park. It looks like there's some new stuff here. I haven't been here yet this year. So what's new? I see big dirt piles that look like they've been, yeah. And I might be the only one here, other than kids.
Now, a lot of people on the trails have been asking me, where's a good place to go practice skills and jumps and drops and rolling and all that good stuff? Well, I give you Cottage Grove Bike Park. This place is the best place, if you live in the Twin Cities, to go and practice your skills, as you'll see here. It's pretty awesome. Check it out.
Yeah, you can get up into here. That's interesting. I'm just gonna roll around on this BMX thing a little bit and see what it's like. Yeah, no, this is pavement. That's what this is. It's flat tar. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting. I don't know if I dare do anything here or not. It's actually kind of fun. Just go straight across. Wow! That's pretty cool. I like this little hump thing. I just kind of roll right over it. It's a good area to just practice rolling. Nothing else. I'm gonna go do the other stuff now. So the other thing I really didn't do is this higher drop. I'm gonna try this one first. Whoa! I kind of like scared myself there. Okay. I wish there was somebody else here, but I'm the only one. I'm gonna do the middle drop again. I feel like that was just kind of intimidation. Yeah, I just like the Cayena drops. Not bad at all. Boy, here I go. Bad landing, but I did it. That scares you. Oh yeah. But I did it. So they got carpet down. What does that mean? I'm gonna do the easy jump line first. That's this one. I'll get myself warmed up. Oh my gosh, it's really washed out. Okay. I'm not really sure. Let's see what this blue trail back here looks like. Oh, they improved this. It's not all washed out. Oh, so I'm just gonna. Oh, yeah, they've improved this. It was all overgrown last year. This time. All right, here we go. Oh yeah! Ooh! I totally cleared it. I cleared the first two. That's the key, speed. That's the first time I've cleared that wonderful jump. So,
For me, the bread and butter here was the blue lines. There were two of them, and the jumps are easy, and, well, I wasn't quite clearing some of them, but I got the hang of it by the end of the day.
all right, the key to this one is the pedal between jumps. I'm gonna clear them very easily now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stand up pedaling. Pedal. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, I'm so close to clearing that fourth one. Oh. Whoa. It's that fourth jump. I can't get it. This close.
As you can see in the tail end of this video, the whale tail Yeah, I've seen a few people do it, but it's pretty scary looking and intimidating. I don't think I'm ever going to do it. However, there's a lot of double jumps here too. Black and double black jump lines, massive gap jumps. It's pretty impressive actually, but they don't ever seem to be open, which I'm thankful for because I'm not quite ready for those yet, but maybe someday. Soon.